Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Colin Costello. Today we're going to talk about Golden Nugget, or LCA stock. A little bit of news. Also look at the SPAC process and some upcoming catalysts. If you've been holding this one just for the short term, waiting for the merger, then it's been like short term or long term, we do have to get through this SPAC process. So the first thing we're going to look at is this process that Landcadia is going through. Then we'll take a look at some upcoming catalysts. The first piece of paperwork the SPAC company would file is a Prem 14A. Then the SEC would usually review this for a month or so. Here's the Prem 14A form filed by Landcadia 2 back on August 12th, 2020. The next form in the SPAC process would be the PRER 14A form, and sometimes SPACs file this more than once. In Landcadia's case, this has happened twice. Here's their first PRER 14A form filed on September 18th. Here's their second PRER 14A form filed on 10/13. The next thing we'll be waiting for from LCA is the DEFM 14A form, which will have the date to vote in it. Now, if you're still hanging on, drop me a thumbs up and a comment down below so I can give you a thumbs up back, as I'm still hanging strong too, looking for the big picture on this one. Now, let's look at an article that just came out by a third party, and it might lift your spirits up a little bit if you're an LCA shareholder. Here's an article that was in Investor Place. I'm not going to read it word for word, but you guys can check it out. Good article. It says Landcadia Holdings could knock DraftKings off its perch. LCA stock is an attractive investment in a booming iGaming market. It goes on to talk about how undervalued they think it is. We'll just scan through it a little bit real quickly. It says Golden Nugget versus DraftKings. As you can see, Golden Nugget is cash flow positive there and has a larger compound annual growth rate. Golden Nugget faces a stiff challenge against the likes of its first movers such as DraftKings. However, it seems that Golden Nugget is doing considerably better than its competition and has a much better outlook. DraftKings' enterprise value is roughly 15 times that of Golden Nugget. It lacks in size, though. It more than makes up for future revenue growth and average revenue per customer. Additionally, Golden Nugget is already EBITDA and cash flow positive, while DraftKings' cash flows are negative. This is primarily because Golden Nugget has grown its revenues astounding 48% per year from 2016 to 2019. The next thing we have to look forward to is earnings are coming out Thursday, October 15th. So let's take a look at an article on what happened last earnings report as Golden Nugget Online crushed it. Golden Nugget Online Gaming reports a record second quarter. This is for its New Jersey operations, so just picture this when more and more states jump on board. Gross gaming revenues of $28.2 million compared to $15.3 million during the same period in 2019, an increase of 85%. Net revenue of $24.8 million compared to $13.9 million during the same period in 2019, an increase of 78%. And operating income of $8.5 million versus $4.9 million in the second quarter of 2019, a 74% increase. That's from date to date in New Jersey. So, like I said, as more and more states move into online gambling and Golden Nugget moves in, we can only just see this number multiply. So on over to Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol LCA, and in my opinion, we are looking at a very attractive price, but it could still continue to move down before it rebounds a little bit, but it's trading around 13.5. The market's still open, so it's fluctuating. But this is seriously undervalued in my opinion, and I'm very excited to hold on to this for the future. We could see it continue to move down until we hear something, but guys, don't jump out on this one. You've held this long. Stay in it for the big picture. Maybe add some more shares, average down. We're going to eventually get through this. So leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I'm Colin Costello. Till next time, hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.